you're seeing a movement towards kind of photorealism, towards a situation where it's almost difficult to discern between what's a video game and what's real video. I think LA Noire is a great example of that, which came out in 2011. They really pushed the envelope of photorealism. In terms of real challenges, I think standardization probably is the biggest challenge that we're really trying to tackle. And we're trying to tackle that primarily through FBX, which is our free platform-independent file format. And it's the way that you transfer data in between all of our different products, from our DEC side, so from Max, Maya, Mudbox, all of that, into our runtime side, Beast, Kinapse, different things like that, and straight into the engine. It's the interoperability that is available in 2013 between our products that customers are really seeing the true value in Autodesk. You can do things like you have things like single-click interoperability between Max and Maya. That's now available. So you can, be working in Max and you can want to use one of the features in Maya that's not available in Max, and with a single click, you're working over in Maya. Interoperability of animation between Max and Maya, between CAT formats and between IK formats. So Max users can now take advantage of Maya, Motion Builder, and Human IK. And that's just a couple of examples. So middleware and runtime technologies is something that we think is an extremely important part of our solution. Middleware is something, its whole purpose is to really increase efficiency and enable people to develop quality products quicker. And that sits in, amazingly well with what's currently going on in the industry in terms of, what developers' needs are. So, of the last 3 years, we've actually completed 4 acquisitions in this space, and are constantly working to grow our product offering. So this year at GDC, we announced the umbrella brand Gameware, which houses all of our products. So our Gameware products include Scaleform for UI development. So it enables game developers to utilize Adobe Flash to create really cool and immersive menuing systems for their games. You've got Beast as a lighting solution to help you with global illumination. You've got Human IK as an animation solution. It uses inverse kinematics to make quick and accurate animations possible. And then you've got 3 products, which are Kinapse, Cognition, and Population, and these are all AI products. Kinapse is essentially a pathfinding product. But Population and Cognition are 2 new products that we unveiled at GDC this year. And they're as a result of a recent acquisition we made to a company called Grip, which is based up in Montreal. Grip had some really unique AI solutions, and we recently productized and launched them as Autodesk Cognition and Autodesk Population. So Autodesk Cognition is essentially a visual programming behavioral tool. So it enables you to visually see how your NPCs or your non-player characters are behaving and modify their behaviors and duplicate their behaviors for other NPCs. And Population enables you to create large amounts of NPCs and have them act realistically. So between Kinapse, Population, and Cognition, we're really excited. We have a really solid AI offering. So we're making sure that all of those tools, they always used to be used to increase efficiency for console developers. Now we're making sure that those tools do the same things for mobile developers. So we're making sure that Scaleform is highly optimized for mobile developers. Beast is, Kinapse is, all of these things with their 2013 releases offer new mobile enhancements. With the explosion of games, of mobile social casual games, initially they were just 2D games, Angry Birds, things like that. We're seeing a lot more customers that are using our 3D tools for mobile social and casual games to really try to differentiate themselves and add value to their games. So when they're doing that, when they're using things like Maya, like 3ds Max, they have very specific needs, and we're working to make sure that our products, Maya, 3ds Max, are suitable for those needs.